Hello everyone, today I'm showing you the material and everything we need for building a computer. So first of all, we have our power supply. This is iPower 58H, you can see there. It have 600 watt, 650 watt. So to able to calculate your the power you need, you actually have to go onto the internet and search for the formula. So I will give a formula below in the subscription. So next we have our Western Digital SATA HD, which means hard drive. It only have 500 gigabyte, and I found it's pretty small, but it's all I need for gaming desktop. And for smaller memory, you actually make the computer run faster. So next we have our CD drive. This is ASUS CD drive, and I actually find out we don't actually need CD drive, but in case you want, so I just show you. So I will just give you show you CD drive. Next we got our nice little RAM. This is Kingmax. Kingmax 4 gig DDR3. And the reason I like Kingmax because you have a nice little thing right there which make the RAM much more stable. So I got two 4 gig RAM, which means I have 8 gig. So next, the graphic card. The graphic card is actually really important for the gaming desktop. So today I have Gigabyte NVIDIA Gigabyte GeForce 508 UD, and this is the I found out this is all I need for my desktop, and I can run Battlefield, everything like that. So I will probably upgrade if more high quality game come up and this one cannot support. So next we have our nice little killer network stuff. This is just for the desktop wireless, and this is being given in the motherboard. So you actually don't need this if you use wire, but this is useful for wireless wireless desktop. So moving on, we got our Intel i7 CPU, and also you have a fan right here. So Intel, I find Intel is actually a pretty good CPU because it's much more stable, unlike AMD. I know AMD for gaming, but I don't like to overclock because it might damage on our CPU. So next we moving on to our case and motherboard. The reason I didn't remove my motherboard because this little wire, it actually took me plenty of time to put all that in the right spot. So I don't want to just waste my time and putting all stuff back again. So this motherboard is Gigabyte Assassin 2. The reason I chose this motherboard is just because the name and this nice cool design right there. And it's actually for gaming. I know it's not the best gaming motherboard, and well, I found out this is what I need actually. So the case, I got Coolmaster. This Coolmaster, I'm not sure what is this. I'm sure this. The reason I choose Coolmaster is because it is make whole the desktop really cool and everything like that, and it actually keep all your desktop heat cool down, and so you can make all your motherboard, graphic card, everything like that much more stable and can keep it alive much more longer. So next on, the only tool we need is a screwdriver. And yeah, this is actually all you need for a tool, but I have this nice little wire here that to organize all the wire together, and but you don't want the you want this plastic go over it, because you don't want the metal to touch any part of your computer. So, and this is all you need for building the computer.